Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nazaulia dengan NPM 244111123 dengan kelas manajemen 24A. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan tentang bisnis etika. Definition of business ethic. Business ethic refers to the moral principle that guide business practice to ensure that they are conducted in a fair, honest, and responsible manner. Business ethic involves considering the impact of business decisions on stakeholders, include customer, employees, and supplier, and the wider community. Objective of business ethic. The objective of business ethic are 1. Building trust. Building trust between the company and its stakeholders such as customer, employee, and the community. 2. Avoiding conflict. Avoiding conflict that can harm the company and its stakeholder. 3. Improving performance. Improving the company performance in ethical and responsible manner. 4. Developing reputation. Developing the company reputation as a responsible and ethical business. 5. Enhancing social responsibility. Enhancing the company's social responsibility and contributing to the well-being social. Principle of business ethic. The principle of business ethic are 1. Fairness. The company must operate in a fair, non-discriminatory manner. 2. Honesty. The company must operate in the honest and transparent manner. 3. Responsibility. The company must take responsibility for action and ensure that they do not harm stakeholders. 4. Respect. The company must respect the rights and interests of stakeholders. 5. Integrity. The company must operate with integrity and adhere to its value and principle. Example of business ethic. 1. Respecting intellectual property. The company must respect intellectual property rights and not engage in the copyright infringement. 2. Avoiding corruption. The company must avoid corruption and not engage in activity that can harm stakeholders. Respecting an environment. The company must respect the environment and not engage in activity that can harm the environment. 4. Respecting employee rights. The company must respect employee rights and not engage in activity that can harm employees. 5. Providing accurate information. The company must provide accurate information to stakeholders and not engage in deceptive or misleading practice. Benefit of business ethic. 1. Encourage trust. Business ethic can encourage trust between the company and its stakeholder. 2. Reduce risk. Business ethic can reduce the risk of harm to the company and its stakeholder. 3. Improve performance. Business ethic can improve the company performance in an ethical and responsible manner. 4. Enhance reputation. Business ethic can enhance the company reputation as a responsible and ethical business. 5. Increase customer loyalty. Business ethic can increase customer loyalty and retention. Business communication strategy. The business communication strategy is 1. Identifying objective. Identifying the objective of business communication that needs to be achieved. 2. Identifying target. Identifying the target audience of business communication. 3. Developing message. Developing a clear and effective message. 4. Selecting media. Selecting the most appropriate and effective medium of communication. 5. Evaluating the effective of business communication and making adjustment as needed. Conclusion. The business ethic refers to the moral principle that guide business practice to ensure that they are conducted in a fair, honest, and responsible manner. Business ethic involves considering the impact of business decisions on stakeholders and adhering to principles such as fairness, honesty, responsibility, respect, and integrity. The benefit of business ethic include increased trust, reduce risks, improve performance, enhance reputation, and increase customer loyalty. However, business ethics also present challenges, such as balancing competition interests, managing conflict of interest, dealing with concurrently maintaining transparency, and managing globalization.